If your Photopea Pen Tool is not working, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to drawing clean paths, making precise selections, and creating shapes without frustration. A lot of the time, the pen tool is actually working fine, but one small setting is preventing you from seeing the result. So stay with me, follow along carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you should know exactly how to fix it. And if this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to check is the mode at the top options bar. When the pen tool is active in Photopea, it can work in different modes, and this is one of the biggest reasons people think it is broken. Look at the top menu bar and find the mode setting. If you are in shape mode, the pen tool creates a vector shape layer. That means it will use fill and stroke settings. If you are in path mode, it creates a path line, which is invisible by itself until you turn it into a selection, a mask, or another action. So first, make sure you are in the correct mode for what you want to do. If you want a visible shape, shape mode is the one to use. If you want a precise outline for cutting something out, then path mode is the better choice. Now, if you are in shape mode and your pen lines still look invisible, the next thing to check is the fill and stroke settings. In the top bar, look for fill and stroke. If both of them are set to none, usually shown by the red diagonal slash, then your shape is technically being created, but you won't see it on the canvas. That can make it seem like nothing is happening at all. To fix this, set the fill to a solid color or give the shape a visible stroke. You can also increase the stroke width to something like 2 to 5 pixels so it is easier to see. This simple check solves the issue for a lot of users who think the pen tool is not responding. Next, make sure you do not have an active selection already on the canvas. If you see the marching ant selection outline, Photopea may behave strangely when you try to draw paths or create shapes. An active selection can interfere with the tool and make it seem like the pen tool is not working properly. To clear it, press Command+D on Mac or Control+D on Windows. That will deselect everything and give you a clean canvas to work with. Once the selection is gone, try using the pen tool again and see if it behaves normally. Another important step is to understand what happens after you create a path in path mode. If you draw a path and then nothing appears to happen, that is usually because a path is not the final result by itself. A path is just an outline. To use it, you need to convert it into something else. For example, if you want to turn that path into a selection, click Selection in the top options bar, or use Control+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac. That will convert the path into a marching ant selection. If you want to use the path to cut out or hide part of a layer, click Make Mask. That will clip the layer to the path shape. So remember, path mode does not always produce a visible object immediately. You usually need to take one extra step to make it useful. Now let's talk about layers, because this is another reason the pen tool can seem broken. If the layer you are trying to work on is locked or hidden, Photopea may not let you edit it properly. Look at the Layers panel and check whether your target layer has a lock icon. If it is locked, click the padlock to unlock it. If you are not sure whether the current layer is the right one, create a new layer using the New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Working on a fresh unlocked layer is often the easiest way to test whether the pen tool is functioning correctly. Once you do that, try drawing your path or shape again. At this point, if the pen tool still seems unresponsive, the best thing to do is go back through the steps in order. Check the mode, check the fill and stroke, clear any selection, convert the path if needed, and make sure the layer is unlocked and visible. In most cases, one of these settings is the real problem, not the pen tool itself. Photopea is powerful, but because it has so many options, even one wrong setting can make a tool appear broken. So here is the quick recap. If the Photopea pen tool is not working, first switch between shape mode and path mode depending on what you want to create. Then check fill and stroke so your shape is actually visible. After that, deselect any active marquee selection. If you are using path mode, convert the path into a selection or make a mask. And finally, make sure you are editing an unlocked or newly created layer. Follow those steps and you should be able to fix the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Photopea and design tutorials. And if you want, check out the rest of the channel for more tips that will save you time and help you work faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.